Good morning, Year 11s, and it was quite difficult to write this assembly because I wasn't quite sure what to call it. End of Year 10, well, we've started calling you Year 11s. End of Year 11, no, that would be next year. So I thought I'd just go for end of the academic year 2021. So what a year it's been we've been through. So many challenges, so many things to get our heads around. Things like remote learning, the live lessons that we took part in, the lockdown before that, where we were taking part in quizzing daily, and also just that tutor time we had in the mornings where you'd meet your tutors. And also we've had to come back to the academy. Back to the academy, there have been new rules, new expectations, new guidelines, new breaks, new lunch times, new expectations on you, and you've done very well at it. And I thought the D&V this a few weeks ago kind of summed up the craziness of this year. Like, what a fantastic thing to get out and do there. However, it was kind of tarnished at the end, but what a fantastic thing to be part of. And I think that really did sum up our year of all things were going smoothly, and actually things just changed last minute. So what a year it's been. Now, I think praise where praise is due, and I think you've been consistent in your approach to the culture of the Academy Year 11s. You've done very, very well at doing it. You haven't been flustered by change. You haven't been disrupted by it. You've just got on with it because you're consistent and you're hardworking young people. Now, I think you've definitely stepped up to Year 11. Since we started calling you Year 11s, you have done very well. Again, your consistency has been really good. So the things that you did well has continued to do that as well. You have also stepped it up as well. So your attitude and applications during the exam period was exceptional. Attendance was fantastic. You all worked 100% during those exams. And if you did have a down moment in one of the exams, the next exam you really did kind of smash out the park with your attitude and application towards it. So really well done. I think that does go down to your hard-working nature and also your want to do well. I think you all are young people that have massive aspirations about where you want to go to, and that is then exemplified in the work that you're doing in lessons. You really are maturing into young adults that are going to achieve so much and do so well, and I'm really, really proud of you. Thinking back to Year 7, Year 8 when I took you over, how small you were and how much you've grown now, how much you've matured as young people, it really does make me proud to be your Director of Learning, and I'm really looking forward to taking that into next year. Again, sadly actually though, the other day we had our final sports day. Of course next year you won't have your sports day, so I thought it'd be really good to kind of praise you on that and praise you on how well you did at that. So I've got a few pictures here from sports day. So here you'll see the start of either the 800 or 400 metre race by the girls, and the finish there between Boris and Imanol. I thought they were going to battle it out and almost get into a bit of a barging contest towards the end, but it was really good to see the competition between all of you that were there. Then we've got some award winners here, the boys and the girls. I think this is the 100 and 200 races. Really well done to all of you who were successful in getting certificates. And here's the relay teams. Looking very, very proud of their achievements. It was really nice to see how many people took part and how many people were able to achieve something. So well done to all. And then finally, here's the winning team, the yellow team. So well done to you for winning it. And then we've got Imanol and Sidral looking not too pleased with where they came, but well done to you. And then finally, I guess it's down to your teachers' shout out. So every year we ask for these, and I was, as I said to you at morning meeting a few days ago, I was flooded with these, and they were sent through to me in flids and floods, and so many of them were given to me, and I was really proud to achieve those, and it really did prove to me how much you have done and how much you've been through and how much you have progressed into young people that are undoubtedly going to do well. As Mr. Brown said to you a while ago, I don't think you know how good you are, and I hope that this proves to you how good you are. So I'm going to play to you now some shout outs. I'm not going to read through them because I think my voice is quite boring, so I'm going to let you just read through them. So well done to all those students that did receive shout outs, and well done to, well, all of you. See, all of those teachers were really impressed by their classes and how well they'd applied themselves during this past year. So well done to you all. And now I know that we introduced this a while ago. So this term here, we've looked at how many students have kept all 3 of their achievement points in a day. So that means they've got no corrections at all. They've managed to keep all of their achievement points from every day of the last term. So a really big shout out to these students here, these 13 students. So we've got Faisal, David, Emily, Molly, Chloe, Zara, Aaron, Nana, Griffin, Ramisa, Sandra, and Victor T. Well done to you guys for keeping all of your achievement points for the last term. Really, really proud moment, and I hope to see more of you on that list in year 11. Another big achievement for us this half term was recently we had the head boy and head girl, and as you know, here they are. Here's your head boy and head girls, and also your deputy head boy and head girl. So they've got Griffin, Chloe, Vidal, and Rose. Really, really proud of you. It was great to sit in your interviews, or a few of your interviews, and see again how well you've developed into fine young people, and you should be really proud of what you've achieved at Bridge. And then with this, we have some goodbyes and some welcomes after this year. Now, you know, every year sometimes members of staff leave, and it seems like this year we've got a large number of members of staff that actually are really, really close to you, year 11s. So that is Mr. Oluwaseyi, of course, in the PE department, who will be sadly missed by myself as well. And we've got Mrs. Rock, who, as you know, will be going off for some time. Miss Loshda, also, who works with Tower. I know she's been almost like a mother hen to you, Tower, so that'll be a sad moment to see her go and her not to be part of 11 Tower. I know that Miss Judd will, I'm sure, be updating her on how you are doing, and possibly even get a chance to see you at your prom next year. Mr. Diplos, also, who is some of your maths teacher, and I know that he'll be missed by his class as well. Miss Moffat, I got a chance to see Miss Moffat's class on the video, sing a nice song to her, so I know she's very, very missed by her class, and I know that she's going to miss you guys and miss seeing how well you're going to do next year. We've got Miss Jones as well, who's the head of year 9. I know she teaches some of you for ASDAN, so she's going to be missed as well, and Miss Penman as well will also be leaving us, which is incredibly sad as well, because she's been part of Bridge for such a long time. We've also got some welcomes here as well, so some of you may have already guessed this. However, we have got Miss Janan joining us again as Deputy Director of Learning for Year 11. As you know, she's worked for us before, and as you know, she's incredibly caring about you all and really wants you to do well. So it's great to have her support us as well. And then behind my head, I think it looks like there, we've got Miss Savage, who's going to be joining Year 11 Millennium as their form tutor next year with Mr. Nwanaga. And we've also got Mr. Lilly, who, as you may or may not know, has already joined 11Q. Oh, I think there's one person as well I'm missing. Oh yeah, here he is.
Hi, good morning Year 11, it's Mr. Iber here. I just want to say a massive well done of what's been a very difficult year for your Year 10s. The way that you performed in your exams and over lockdown and coming back to school on the 8th of March, and how well you've really taken on this year. And I'm so excited now that you're Year 11 and to be the first year group to be able to do your exams in a hall in summer, and what a great example you showed of how well you can do it in the mock exams that you did a couple of weeks ago. From me, just want to say a massive thank you for allowing me to be part of your Bridge journey for the last 2 years as your Deputy Director of Learning. I've learned so much being with your year group. I've loved spending time with you, getting to know you, working with you from some of the challenging times, the great times, but altogether it's been the best times I've had at Bridge, and you've really allowed me to become the doll that I am now with my current year group, Year 7, who I will take through as their Director of Learning. So massive thank you to this year group, and I will take a back seat for your Year 11, and I know Mr. Bellinger and Miss Shannon are going to work so hard to get you through your last year at Bridge, and I'll be floating around with the Year 8s in September and onwards, watching you from a back seat. But have a good summer everybody, and I will see you soon.
So yeah, we're going to miss Mr. Iber loads. I'm sure a lot of you are going to miss Mr. Iber, especially on your break and lunch duties, getting a chance to chat to him. And also he's been incredibly supportive of a large number of you in the year group during the good times and during the bad times. And he's going to be missed by myself as well, my office buddy. And we're going to look forward to seeing him do fantastically with the year 8. So if you ever see any year 8s misbehaving next year, please do give them a bit of respect to show to Mr. Iber, please. Now I look ahead now to year 11, proper year 11 I guess we are, and I'm really excited to see how proud you can make yourselves and also myself. I'm really looking forward to how you're going to step up as actual year 11s, not just year 10s with the name of year 11s. And I'm looking forward to you demonstrating more of the hard work, not only inside of the classrooms, but also outside of the classrooms. I'm really looking for a big push from you guys, from your home learning, from you working at home, from all the work your teachers give you. Homework isn't a bad thing. Homework is something you should just do. It's a thing of school. It's a thing that every adult you meet has done in their whole school, in their whole life, sorry. So it's really important you understand the importance of that and how much it's only going to help you do well. An hour or two of homework a night is normal. It's something you should expect to do. Now, I'm also looking forward to you being role models of other year groups around the academy. Now, from September, you're going to get the chance to be role models to the rest of the academy. You're going to see year 8s, year 7s, year 9s, year 10s around the academy, and I'm looking forward to you being role models to them. I'm looking forward to them coming up to speak to the heads of year and saying, oh, I can't wait to be in year 11. The year 11s look like they're really, really focused and really, really doing well. And they're also really friendly and really approachable. They're really kind to us at Bridge. I'm really looking forward to that, and I hope that you're going to live up to those expectations that you can achieve. I'm looking forward to seeing how well you can do around the academy when this freedom is back. And as I said to you recently, we've got the opportunity for you guys recently of going into classrooms that we didn't have before, like music classrooms, media classrooms, art classrooms. So that freedom now is back again. I'm looking forward to you guys. You've had the priority on it this year. Have the priority in it next year, taking advantage of those lessons that you've got in the specific classrooms you've got. And finally, I'm looking forward to you thriving in this which is the best environment for you. I'm a strong believer in that. I'm a strong believer in the fact that Bridge has done so well for all 180 of you already. And I'm a strong believer in the fact that it can do fantastic things for you. And I'm glad you're all on board for it. I'm glad that you believe in that. And I'm glad that you wear the purple uniform with pride. I'm really looking forward to seeing you thrive in this environment, which is so, so good for you. So I think that's it really. I think it's a chance now just to have a great summer, have a safe summer with your family, enjoy some of the restrictions that are easing. It's a summer that's not like last summer. It's a summer which can be a really happy one for us and one that hopefully will move things forward. So please take care over the summer holidays, stay safe, and more importantly, have fun with your friends and family. Take care, Year 11s. See you in September.